right, guys, welcome back. The pickup truck is ready for the door jambs to get painted. I got to fix that plastic a little bit. Plastic's blowing around a little bit, so hopefully I can get this done fairly quickly. I'm not going to go crazy putting a ton of color on these door jambs. They're already white. I'm not going to use a sealer. We're going to put white right over the primer, and hopefully just enough to cover, and then we'll do a light coat over all of it, and then we'll put the pearl on and 2 light coats of clear. So let me get set up, get some white mixed up, and then we'll put the white on. Okay, now it's time for 2 light coats of pearl, and then we'll be ready for clear. All right, clear is mixed up, ready for 2 light coats of clear, and the jambs and engine compartment will be done. right, guys, that's it. They are painted. They look really good. Not bad for outside. Not bad at all. So this is another big hurdle that is finished on this truck now. Even these pockets and everything that I had to make for these door handles to go back in the truck, they all look good. We're kind of working on borrowed time here. It is November 3rd in Northeast Ohio. So 65 degrees on November 3rd. Can't complain. That's why I wanted to make sure I got this done today, because the roof and back wall are next, and if it's crappy, we can do it in the spray booth. That's not an issue. And then after that, I need to paint the underside of the hood, and then we are ready to put the hood, fender, core support, the whole front end together, and the door latches and everything, and get this thing shut back up so that we can shoot the outside all in one piece. So basically we're shooting the cab forward, everything all in one shot. The only thing that's painted separate is the bed, which is fine. You have a gap between the two. But when we paint the back wall, we're going to tape it right on this edge right here, right on that inside edge. And then when we go to paint the cab, we'll take it right into this inside edge there. Or maybe we'll go on this side so you don't see it ever. And then up here, we have a nice tape line right here we can go on. Now, if you guys are wondering why I didn't tape this off right here, there's a little bit of overspray. That's fine. I still got to do a final sanding on the outside of the truck. Back window had a bunch of dust on it, so I didn't cover that. Figure that'll come right off. I did cover the inside and outside of all the windows though. So yeah, we're looking good, guys. The other fender and inner wheel well are already painted, so we just need to put those on. Core support's already painted, so that needs to go on. We got to swap out that radiator, put in a air conditioning condenser, you know, get this front end back together. But next step is for me to do is to paint the underside of the hood, because once that's done, then the whole front end can get put back together. So thanks for watching, guys. More videos coming. I got a few hours before the sun goes down because we had to turn the clocks back last night, so I got about 2 hours for this stuff to set up enough that I can push it or get this thing pulled back into the shop tonight. So I'll probably have to have some help, maybe just kind of lightly keeping the door shut. I don't want to shut them all the way. Even though there's no gaskets, I don't know if it'll hit anywhere. So thanks, guys, for watching. If this is something you guys are interested in and want to see a lot more of this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost anything. It lets you know when I put up new videos, because you'll get a notification. And if you guys wouldn't mind hitting the thumbs up, sharing the videos, that would also help. Any questions or comments, feel free to ask. Other than that, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.